How to save Snapchat memories to camera roll. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to save Snapchat memories directly to your camera roll quickly and easily. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, just beside the setter button, there you'll see the memories option. Simply tap on it. And now here, once you are in the memory section, let's say if you want to add any image to your camera roll, then what you can do is simply select that particular images, or you can even set or select a bundle of image too. And after that, once you have done selecting it, you can just tap on send button. And here in this section, if you swipe up through the option or swipe through the option just below the share to, there you'll see the download button. So simply tap on it to download those images. But this is the manual way. So here, just in case if you want the image to be directly saved on your camera roll, then what you can do is simply go to your profile section, and from there you can simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen to go to the settings section. And from here you can simply scroll down and tap on my app option, and now here in this section you'll see the memories option. So simply tap on it, and now here under save destination button, there you'll see the save button option. So simply tap on it. And now here in this section, you can select this option that says memories and camera roll. And here, once you have selected it as your saving destination, then after that, if you click any images or photos on Snapchat, then it will directly be downloaded on your memories and camera roll. And that's it. That's how you can save Snapchat memories to camera roll. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.